Today, we're gonna fire up this 560. Oh, it's a gasser. Later. But I thought we'd have a go at this thing, fire it up, and see how it did. Sit here a little bit. Get down. Right. Well, that was fun. One of the strange items on a Farmall is this 2-point hitch affair. Someone was explaining to me, so you would have to use their proprietary equipment. It'd be nice if these were straight. This bench could be off the ground. That's up to max height with their 2-point hitch arms. Unless you flip them over, and then it would be ridiculously high. Follow tractor. Zoom this in a little. Feature I like on this tractor is they do have 2 rear wheel weights tucked in here on the inside of the wheel. You don't really notice them, but it's kind of nice to have these in there. I wish my John Deere 730 had them. People are pretty proud of them. They pull a lot better with a little weight on them.